Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how the legendary truck brand Scania is manufacturing their trucks. Scania is a world-leading provider of transport solutions. In 2021, they delivered 85,930 trucks, 4,436 buses, as well as 11,786 industrial and marine power systems to their customers. Net sales totaled over $146 billion, of which over 20% were services related. Founded in 1891, Scania now operates in more than 100 countries and employs some 54,000 people. Research and development are mainly concentrated in Sweden. Production takes place in Europe and Latin America, with regional product centers in Africa, Asia, and Eurasia. Scania is part of Traton Group, together with MAN, VW Truck, and Navistar. Zwolle is home to Scania's largest and most modern assembly plant in Europe. This location accounts for no less than 60% of the annual production. At this factory, they make complete trucks from all individual parts. At the factory in Scania Production Zwolle, Scania assembles their trucks on two production lines. The production lines consist of a large number of stations where they assemble parts at a fixed pace. Every 5 minutes, a truck rolls off the production line. They are able to make as many as 200 trucks per day. Each truck is customized with the many options available. The customers themselves decide a large part of the appearance of their truck. This is possible due to the modular design, the logistics system, and the flexible deployment of the employees. The production of a truck is closely related to the logistics process. Too little stock of a part leads to a stoppage of the line. Too much stock gets in the way and costs money unnecessarily. The logistics employees ensure that the mechanics in production receive the parts at the right places and times. Scania does everything they can to give the employees ergonomic support in their work. They use practical tools and machines, so they avoid heavy loads. Furthermore, the factory is light, quiet, and very clean. A pleasant workplace. Scania aims for an energy-neutral factory. For example, they have more than 22,000 solar panels on the roof, and they sort active waste and recycle, such as their packaging materials. In 2003, Scania decided to do the painting of the cabin and chassis parts in-house by setting up its own automated paint factory. The now vacant factory in Meppel turned out to be the ideal location for this paint shop. The proximity to Scania's largest production location in Zwolle formed a significant argument for choosing Meppel. In addition, Meppel laid central to Scania Production Zwolle in France and Södertälje in Sweden. With a few adjustments, the vacant factory is excellent for its future function. The paint process is fully automated with the help of 22 robots. The lacquers are sent by an advanced lacquer distribution system. When the robots are sent, the system sends the varnish as a sort of Wiesen post through a plastic pipe to the individual robots. After painting, the slides pass through an oven and a cooling zone. The inspection and repair department then performs an accurate visual inspection of the painted parts. Minor deviations are corrected immediately by the employees. At the end of the production line, they manually remove the parts from the sleds. The painted parts are then assembled and prepared for transport. The production of a truck is closely related to the logistics process. All painted and assembled parts are delivered in their correct order to the final assembly factories in Zwolle, Zwolle, and Södertälje. When the final truck is fully assembled, it is thoroughly examined, checked, and ensured that everything is fitted correctly. A computer is connected and it is ensured that there are no technical faults and that the vehicle can run fault-free. The new Scania can now be delivered to the customer. Scania's truck production is nothing less than impressive, don't you think? Which truck manufacturer should we take a look at next? Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for much more.